Good day. In this video, we will be having a brief discussion on how to process data on Schedule C in your Drake 2023 tax software. The primary source document for Schedule C will be the profit and loss statement of the business. On the left side of the screen, we have a sample profit and loss statement. To process this into your Drake, go to the Income tab, click on Self-Employed Income or Schedule C, and a new window will pop up. If the document is from the primary taxpayer, choose T. If it belongs to the spouse of the primary taxpayer, choose S. If it belongs to each spouse equally, choose J. Since for this sample, it belongs to the primary taxpayer, we will choose letter T. For the state, we have Illinois. Next, a business profession, product, or service. So it pertains to the nature of the taxpayer's business. For this sample, this is a general merchandise. Business name is found in this part, Vibe Trading LLC. And then the street address. Next is the business code. We have a drop-down list of the business codes. So we have to choose which is applicable for the client. For this part, we can Google the exact business code for this specific business. So for this one, we have the code 455000, which is General Merchandise Retailers. Employer ID would be 234578978. Accounting method, accrual. So we also have to answer these boxes if applicable. So for part 1, part 2, and part 3, you need to summarize or categorize the items in your profit and loss statement, like sales, categorize sales, and then these two categorized as other income. So for the expenses part, if we have a similar item, we can just categorize it under that same item. And then if it's not in this list, so you categorize it as other expenses or other deductions. And then you will come up with the net income per return. You subtract the 50% meals, and then that will be equivalent to your net income per book. So you just have to input these details into your Drake tax software. Next one is part 3, cost of goods sold. Just input here the beginning inventory, 375, the purchases, 139, 375, cost of labor, 9, and then ending inventory of 363, 961.40. So after entering the data from your profit and loss statement into the Schedule C data entry in Drake 2023, we can view or double check if the figures we've entered is equal to the profit and loss statement. So we will go to view or print button, then go to Schedule C, and then verify the amount of net income. So net income should be 85,539. So it means that data has been entered correctly. And that is how you process data from your profit and loss statement into your Drake 2023 tax software.